Hello friends, welcome to the Tech Legend channel. So friends, today I will talk about Alphacool Apex RAM-X4 water cooler. RAM-X4 water cooler. So friend, Alphacool offers powerful and reliable cooling for RAM in two color variants. It is comes with nickel-plated copper cooler base has been specially developed for latest RAM generation. Like other computer components, these modern overclockable RAM modules are becoming increasingly powerful and generate enormous waste heat and friend. In combination with the Alphacool Core D-RAM modules, the RAM cooler ensure a lower operating temperature and thus ensure system stability. And the stylish design paired with first-class material and innovative technology guarantees a unique premium product. This ultimate performance harmonizes wonderfully with other Apex products and creates an immersive overall look, and the brilliant aRGB lighting completes the look of your ensemble and friend. It features brilliant aRGB lighting, reliable cooling of the RAM modules, nickel-plated copper cooler, stylish Apex design, and nickel-plated brass connectors. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.